Kiri Biroiro Kia Jahi Mutaburo kwa Nyadarwa Orerorera Kameme TV.
Ngatho mwirori wa Kameme TV na njitikiria gugeithie na ngeithi cia Happy New Month ari tariki 1 mweri wa 10 na nidoka niguo ngoroge kumenyithia maria mahanikite ari keri karia kwina mihango meingi thiini wa bururi umwe wa mwari wiyandikithia wa mutaratara mweru wa ugima wa mwiri na mangi maingi maria mahariirio kuria cikaro-ini cia bunge nie njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndungu nake mutauri na njira ciiko etagwo Wagaki wa Muthoni njitikiria twanjiririe mihango andikithia mubango-ini mweru wa SHA ni thiete na mbere thibitari-ini wa Mama Lucy county-ini ino ya Nairobi oriri motungata maya mambiriirie umuthi wiyandikithia uyu urakinyanirio mbere ya murwaru kwamukira motungata ma urigitani niguo gutigirira ningirio mubango-ini ucio na riu twina mwandiki witu wa Boi wa Njugu na uria hurite kambi thiini wa thibitari uyu ni ngwenda tunyitanira nake na njira imwe kwa imwe atumenyithia hihi namba itari atia na mihango ino iratwarithio na mbere na njira itari atia wa Boi ikoni uranyamukira shorera mwiroreri mbica iyo.
Pastor Dorcas and as well.
Anyamukira hihi ni arwaru aigana marikite gukorwo makiandikithio kana ni a Kenya aigana mandikithitio thiini wa mubango uyu na namba ihana atia na ni andu aigana hihi matanyite gukorwo magikiandikithia gukinyeria umuthi.
A well researched
Waboi
ni ngatho ndirakunyita wega guku ni thibitari-ini wa Mama Lucy kuria wiyandikithia wa mubango kana mutaratara mweru wa kwamukira motungata ma urigiti wa SHA urathie na mbere na haha niho harakiyandikithirio muingi uroka ukiyandikithiria haha uka kiria kirabatarania no gibandi na kana na ukorwo ni uri wagikorwo na kandi ya NHIF wagikorwo ukineana niguo ndumiriri yaku igikorwo ikiingirio mubango-ini wa SHA muingi ni wikinyitie thibitari-ini uyu gugikorwo kiamukira mathomo makinyaniru kana uria magibatie kuingira mutaratara-ini wa SHA ririkana mutaratara uyu uri na maundu matatu maria ni primary health care mubango wa SHIF o ndomwe na emergency services ndenda kwa ihinda riri ngorwo ngiaraniria na murugamiriri munene wa thibitari uyu atutaririe maria marathie na mbere na ni andu igana magikoretwo makiyandikithia thibitari-ini uyu. Karibu kuni Kameme TV, tueleze ni gani yanayoendelea huku, ni watu wangapi ambao kufikia saa hii wamejiandikisha?
Asante sana. Kwa majina ni Daktari Martin Alfred Wekesa Wafula, mkurugenzi mtendaji wa Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospitali. Leo tumeanza uzinduzi wa SHA hapa Mama Lucy na vile umeelezwa tunao registration desk hapa kwa wale wagonjwa ambao walikuwa na kadi yao ya NHIF bado tutaendelea kuitumia lakini kwenye SHA, so tunaomba kwamba wote wakuje wajiandikishe. Aidha pia kwa hospitali zote za serikali na hospitali za kibinafsi registration inaendelea. Kwa leo Mama Lucy tumesha rejeza wagonjwa zaidi ya 200 kuanzia asubuhi na bado watu wanakuja wanaendelea kujiandikisha na hii bima ya afya mpya.
Wagonjwa lazima kwanza wajiandikisha ama kwanza wanatibiwa? What is the problem?
Wagonjwa lazima kwanza wajiandikishe ili wachague hospitali ambayo wanaitumia, lakini kwa muda wa sasa wale wagonjwa ambao wanakuja na dharura tunawaona, hatusubiri wafanyiwe registration, lakini wagonjwa wa kawaida wanaenda wanaregister alafu wanapewa referral letter.
Kujiandikisha ni free.
Naam?
Kujiandikisha, how long does it take kujiandikisha?
Inachukua chini ya dakika 5. Asante. Tunahimiza wananchi wote waende waandikishwe ili wakuje wafanye kazi. Tutawasaidia. Asanteni.
Korwo ngiara ni haya ni gatho ririkana mubango uyu wambiriirie kana mwingi wambiriirie kwiyandikithia mweri wa mugwanja mwaka-ini uyu na nginyagia riu no marathie na mbere na thirikari irakihinyiriria a Kenya mathie na mbere na kwiyandikithia gukinyiria muthenya wa ira andu aria mareyandikithitie ni makiria ma andu milioni 2 na thirikari ni thiete na mbere na thingiriria mwingi wiyandikithie niguo ugikorwo mutaratara-ini wa SHA. Mundu kana andu agikiro gia thi mabatie gukorwo makiriha muigana wa ciringi 300 na andu aria mandikitwo mabatie kurengwo gicunje kia 2.7 hari igana hari mishara iria marihagwo. Kwa ihinda riri gucokia mwaro kuri we tugukorwo tukirumanirira na riboti ino na tukorwo tukimenyithia mwiroreri wa Kameme TV maria meguthie na mbere na kwiyumiria gugikinyeria mathaa ma hwaini. Mwaro kuri we studio.
Thengio muno Wambui wa Njuguna na mwirori taguo wakorwo kigua cirahuthika o ndagika 5 gukorwo kiandikithia ni wega ugiteithiririe ona aria kuru gukimenya ati gukiri na mubango mweru wa ugima wa mwiri uranjiriria muthenya wa umuthi. Na riu njitikiria tuthie na mbere kuria tuguthie riboti-ini igie mathomo na aria mieri 3 ya mbere ya arutwo a grade ya 8 kwambiriria mathomo thiini wa grade ya 9 thirikari ni yambiririe mubango wa gutigirira thukuru ciothe cia muingi iria itari na miako ya laboratories ni ciamukira laboratories cia ihinda iria cirihuthikaga ni arutwo a grade 7 na 8 na 9. Ihinda-ini riu thirikari ni iranire gukorwo ikirire waki wa irathi 16 na ho kwandika wira arutani 46 niguo kunyihia thina wa arutani thukuru-ini cia JSS.
Thengia ya unyihu wa irathi thukuru nyingi cia JSS cia muingi ikoretwo ikigayana laboratories na thukuru cia secondary iria cikuhiriirie na kuria gutari miako ino arutwo matikoretwo magithoma mathomo ma science uria kwagiriire. Kuhitukira ruhonge rwa uthondeki wa indo cia mahuthiro ma mathomo ma science riu thirikari yugite o thukuru wa JSS ni kwamukira laboratory ya ihinda niguo gukinyiriria mathomo ma arutwo a grade ya 9 mwaka ukite.
Generally, construction of a wall, 4-walled laboratory and equipping it is quite some good money, and what we're providing is a step-gap measure, a kit which is more affordable. So we may be providing a science kit at 70,000 Kenya shillings, where a teacher can use the same to teach instead of putting up a laboratory. It takes long to put up a laboratory. First you do the construction of the wall, then you equip the necessary requirements. So for the kids it's going to be more affordable.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge ruru Dagitari Joel Mabonga, laboratories ishire huthikaga ni arutwo a grade ya 7, 8 na 9. Akiuga arutani ne bakamukira mwerekera wa mahuthiro ma indo ngurani iria thukuru ikamukira mwaka ukite.
With this engagement we are not going to lose anything in terms of preparing that teacher. That the teacher will be able to face the classroom and teach with the support of the kids. So instead of us waiting for that long and to get money that we're going to put up the wall, what SEP is saying is that we are providing a kit that can be able to be used for the same purpose in the meantime by the teachers.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa uthondeki wa mitaratara ya mathomo KICD Charles Ongondo, ikinya riri ni riguteithiriria arutwo aige kugia na kanya ga kugacirithia mathomo mao ma science.
We are going to have 2 kits primarily, 2 main kits. Those are kits for grade 4, 5 and 6. That's one. Then we have another kit for grade 7, 8 and 9 for junior school.
Kits should stimulate interest of the learners. They should enhance experiential activities, practicality. They should be made in such a way that promote learner-centered pedagogy, and that they should also demonstrate values, especially the value of care, for the kids, for the environment and the other learners that will use this.
Thirikari oho nitanyitwo gukorwo ikirikiriria waki wa irathi 16,000 cia arutwo a grade ya kenda na oho kwandika wira arutani 46,000 aria matanyitwo guthomithia thukuru-ini cia JSS. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.
Thengio muno Ngina wa Wadurwa ni undu wa riboti iyo, na riu reke tuthie na mbere. A Kenya makirie kwambia guikara nyumba cia raithi cia thirikari rikoretwo igiakwo na cia thogora wa thi niguo kunyihia utiganu munene uria ukoretwo kuo wa nyumba milioni 2 bururi-ini. Undu uria ucungireirie kuongerereka kwa icagi nginyagia mataoni-ini. Mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura augite kukinyiria riu kana augite nginyagia riu ihinda-ini ria mieri igana una yukite nyumba ici ni igukorwo ciambitie kana kuingirwo ni a Kenya. Mwandiki witu wa Kiambu Matthew Ndungu ena riboti ino.
Mwanya munene wa nyumba cia thogora wa thi na cia gikiro kia iguru niguo tumite thirikari kuruta magoro ngonia na gwakiriria waki wa nyumba ici icigo-ini itiganite bururi-ini. Guku ni Ruiru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria nyumba 1,050 irathie na mbere na gwakwo, miako iri ithondekete mieke kihiria mawira kuri mbeũ njithi na atumia. Ni mieke iteithitie ayuthi kwiyukiriria na gwikura thina-ini, makiuga ni muthingi mwega wa kumathondekera rucio rwao.
Nimesomea building construction lakini nimetamak for so long nikitafutanga kazi, but venye niliambiwa hii project imefunguliwa nilikuja nikajaribu, na by sheer luck nilibahatika na nikaanza project from scratch since last year till date. Na enyewe venye mimi nilimaliza shule na saa hizi niko tofauti kwa sababu nimeweza keep some skills. Kuna some craft yenye nimemaster, nimejua vitu kadhaa kusema ukweli. Na hii project at least I'm very sure ikisema ni kufika next year, hata mimi niko na hiyo courage ya kwenda huko nje nitafute kazi, ama hata mimi nichukue sub za kufanya kazi.
Okay, mwanzoni nilikuwa nimeajiriwa pia kwa salon kinyozi. So wakati hizi zimetokea na nikapata, nilikuwa nishasomea hiyo plumbing, nikaona ni opportunity ya kufanya hiyo profession, maana nilikuwa nimeisomea. So mimi imenitoa kuwa jobless hadi sasa niko na kazi.
Akiaria hindi ya guthurima waki wa nyumba ici, mwaria wa thirikari bururi-ini Isaac Mwaura ugite nyingi ciacio ikirie kurika na kuhumura Kenya aria makoretwo magitangika ni kwaga uikaro mwega. Mwaura ahithuritie nyumba ici gukorwo ikiendio gatagati ga ciringi milioni 1 nginyagia ciringi milioni 4, nyumba iria ugite iriendagio na waragania wa gikiro kia iguru.
We've been in Homa Bay, we've been in Koginga. We saw how there is an integrated development housing project that is going all the way to the lake. We've been to Bondeni in Nakuru as the office of the government spokesperson, and now we are here in Mo and County, because what we are doing is also to focus on creating this awareness so that people can see the value of what the government is able to do for them.
Thirikari iraka nyumba 200,000 o mwaka, nyumba iria inyagitio icigo-ini mbunge guothe bururi-ini. Kuma tauni-ini ya Ruiru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Matthew Ndungu.
Nao ajumbe a kiama kia UDA kuma icigo 17 cia ubunge kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni mokirire abunge aria mekirite kirore mutaratara-ini wa kuhagura munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua, makiuga Rigathi na president mathurwo na tigiti umwe na uguo magirirwo ni kuhagurwo mari o eri. Ajumbe aya kana makiaria na andiki a mohoro ho ni mokirire thirikari ni undu wa kuhaithia abunge aria makoretwo makinyita mbaru munini wa president, makiuria president arugamie kuhagurwo gwa Gachagua niguo mathie na mbere na gutungatira muingi.
Tire mundu atari kwao na tutigwetigira kuga uguo na tutakuona aibu. Gutire hindi ngaconoka kuga ndi mugikuyu na gutire hindi ngetikira gukorwo kwina gikaro gikwarirerio gia gutinania kiria Mount Kenya. Hii mambo yote inapangwa, undu wothe urabangwo tha ici ni gukorwo ni uria Mount Kenya ge divide into two, na tondu kwina andu matuikite ni ta matongire makirita na menyaga kwi mbeca citongagia andu makarita, kwina andu magite mbia makarita na tutikuraga kuga uguo. Aria magite mbia makahona makarita mokage gutahika guku ithuĩ acio tutire nao.
Egwa ni atukorire na kiaria rugeo aramenerwo umuthi uyu na gitura tuthure Ruto na tugitikira na tukiregana na Uhuru na kiraga Gachagua kiratuma amenwo umuthi uyu tondu ni aroka maguti Kenya ni anariria gikuyu giake ruga yake na twarora thiini wa Western onao ni mathire kuu na magicokaniriria andu ao no riria Gachagua ria kuratuika ni aria uhoro wa ni atuika no kabira Ruto muthenyera wokire Murang'a na riria wokire kura kuthira guthiruka Nairobi watwariirie nginya ugage muriega na gikuyu na hindi o wokire ni kura wahoyaga na ni twagu supportire no geikara gitiini na Ruto rona ati munene witu ni wororetio bunge rucio atwarite githinjiro nigetha thia gathinjwo na ni ukirire na nduraria twakuhoya uu uthio warie ndeto icio tondu wina hinya wa kurugamia ni twarega thiini wa mauti Kenya gikuyu giothe ni kiarega na tutiraigua tungigayanio tondu ona maimite Murang'a maikite Embu na Meru koguo gikuyu ni kimwe na mauti Kenya ni imwe
ciana irakuite haha Nyeri andu mathi makatware andu makamoni kuu Nyeri ciana icio irakuire MP acio itu marateng'era na haha guthi gwikira saini marute Gachagua ino ni airport ni kwendio radio MP aitu gutire mundu uraria marateng'era na haha marute Gachagua kuguo marahingicwo marute Gachagua indo cia bururi ikiendagio Kimanico ng'wa umenya wathuritwo maita meri otari utakupingwo ni mundu and oppose ni kwendwo ni andu no ni urathukirie siasa ciaku we ohana kamutho uria turari ya gikuyu na kwire kindu hatari
na oriri ndereti ya kuhagurwo kwa munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua erigirwo gukinyio bunge-ini ya bururi umuthi atongoria aria marugamirire andu ethi kuma gicigo kia Kirima ni magire kiene itanya riri atongoria aya makiaria kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua matongoretio ni Macharia Mukua moreti ya bunge kuma gicigo giki kuregana na ndereti iyo na igikinyanira undu uyu wa gwaturania o hamwe na kwagithia hinya mugambo wa Kirima
Mwacagũrirwo muthi munyitane na Rigathi wa Gachagua munini wa bururi wa Kenya muturore horo wa barabara taru Nyandarua twina barabara ya kuma Ndunyu Njeru guthii Hithe twina demu ciagire gukocia ku Nyandarua PSC dam twina Keja dam twina Malewa turore horo munyitane na Rigathi wa Gachagua kurora horo wa bei cia macani horo wa kahua na horo wa horticulture especially ku Nyandarua munyitane na Rigathi wa Gachagua kurora horo wa wandiki wa mawira wa ayuthi aitu munyitane na Rigathi wa Gachagua ku make sure ati indo ni cioka guku tweta Kirima tutiamucagurire muthimuka hagure deputy president twamucagurie muthimuka turugamirire uge wa muingi kana hinya wa bururi wa Kenya katiba-ini ya Kenya ya 2010 irauga hinya wa Kenya uri andu-ini
na no make muno ni tondu hindi ria Gachagua ekaga campaign ya president ekaga na ruthiomi ruru twaragia rwa gikuyu na gutire mundu wa muhuraga kana akiuga ni mukabira nginya mutongoria wa bururi president William Ruto hindi ria Gachagua okite haria itura ritagwo Boimani amusapotaga na ruthiomi ruru twaragia rwa gikuyu na hindi yo president William Ruto na aria mamuthiururukiirie matiugaga ni mugikuyu ni mukabira no ni tuwi ati hitie kienda kuria mwana yambagia kuga ati aranunga mburi riu niguo mambitie kuga ati Gachagua itu aranunga mburi na ni njama menayo nigetha mamurute ruwa na nigetha matuike a kumuria na ithu tukauga atiriri mugikoyo gire nyau njugi ndiriaga mbia ina ihu Gachagua niko gaitu karia kena ihu niko gatukuire rucio rwa ruriri rwitu rwa gikuyu-ini na tutingitikira muthuri ucio athi na mbere na kuhinyiririo twiroreire na nikio turarugama na tugakumithia uhoro ucio wa kungaura kana wa kuhagura munini wa president
tuhakufinga in the strongest manner possible uhoro wa kuhagura Gachagua ni tuwe Gachagua witu to ni mwana witu ni tourism man na ni ro maundu maria turaigwa maandani kiwanja kia ndege ni kirendio agathiti maundu macio mothe ni tuwe ni mwakoretwo akihurana namo ni ageretie ndeto cia macani no agekirwo ikwiro riu nigio tuwe haha ithu ta atongoria a Nyandarua tukiuga tutikwenda na ni twira abunge aitu Faith Gitau othe mundu wothe nginya kwenya wa thukuru ndiramuonira akiuga ati no nginya mathi masaini ni tukwenda kumenya aria masainite na aria masainire finance bill makiuga yes na no maracoka kuthi ku saini makoiga Gachagua athie
Kuma kaunti ya Nyandarua tuthie ciikaro-ini cia mbunge kuria kamiti ya mbunge ya ugitiri wa mihaka itafanetie giikara na honge itiganite niguo gutaukirwo ni mirutire ya wira ya maabitha mbiraru cia ngeretha cia Batuku mwena wa Nanyuki kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Mamwe ma maundu maria mahiohetie tu giikaro-ini giki ni njuragano iria cianatabanio ni mbiraru ici kuria Kenya undu mwena uthukangia wa maria maturigiceirie uria uracungiririo ni uhuthiri wa nduthoki na chemicals itoikaine makiria gicigo-ini kia Nanyuki kana makiria gicigo-ini kia Oldaiga. Na riboti ino reke tumiamukire imwe kwa imwe kuma cikaro cia mbunge iria irathie na mbere.
About 110 that are operational, 42 are emerging, 8 are proposed, and 4 are marine, and 76 are community conservancies. The implication of this chair is that communities and individuals have set aside 20% of this country and they earmarked it for wildlife land use. For purposes of effective wildlife conservation, conservancies are grouped into regional associations, now also recognized by the Wildlife Conservation Management Act as community wildlife associations. The associations form a platform in which the conservancies can collaborate together, voice out their issues, and also enhance integration in areas of planning and management at a range scale. Conservancies are diverse in structure, governance and management, mutual maturity growth and financial capacity, and habitat and biodiversity, but share a common approach to promote coexistence between people and wildlife and people. The status of the British hermit training Batuk at both Laikipia and Samburu counties is as given in the two tables below, and the Batuk training happens in 1 conservancy in Samburu and 6 conservancies in Laikipia, out of the 44 conservancies as indicated in the table below. And Chair, if you allow me, I'll take members through this. One of the things that we will not be able to give you are the revenues and the returns from these conservancies, because they don't subscribe to us and they don't give us any returns. They are run as private entities, whether they are community or they are on private land. So number 1, Chair, is the Seller Conservancy, which is the type is a community conservancy. It was established in 2002. The acreage is 159,000 acres. It is not yet registered with us, but it is community land. The area is active, and there is Batuk training camp at, let's say, community land. Number 2 is Westgate Conservancy.
I would suggest you ignore those ones that are not taken.
That don't have Batuk.
That are not your conservancies.
Yes.
Just ignore the private one and focus on what is yours. So the 2 that you have.
We actually don't have any conservancies that are ours. All conservancies are community or private. But under the Wildlife Conservation Management Act, we have an hand in one supporting the conservancies come up with management plans. Exactly. These are purely land.
Kuma cikaro cia mbunge tuthie nginyagia Metumi kaunti ya Murang'a kuria mwiritu mwena uria urandikitwo wira wa nyumba ni akinyitio igoti-ini ria Murang'a agithitangirwo kuiya ciringi 300,000 cia mwandiki Jane Muthoni harakinyirio mbere ya mucithania Peter Nduiga uria wathanite ikarero maandiko ihinda ria thikũ 14. Riboti ino tuharirio ni mwandiki witu wa Boi wa Mwangi.
Igoti-ini ria Murang'a nikuo Jane Muthoni Kameme wa miaka 39 uria urarutaga wira wa nyumba akinyitio agithitangwo na mahitia ma kuiya mwandiki kimanjika gia ciringi 300,000 mbeca barivari. Mwikuirwo uyu aire mbeca ici na gucoka gwithara kuria araikirio ngono mwena wa Gatura gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Gatanga kaunti-ini ya Murang'a.
Tulishtakia na kosa la wizi kinyume cha sheria na kwamba mnamo kati ya tarehe 30 mwaka huu na tarehe 4 Agosti mwaka huu masaa yasiyojulikana katika location ya Kongoini kwa Murang'a uliweza kuiba jumla ya shilingi 300,000. Kweli ama si kweli? Kama si kweli uliweza kutakia na kosa la badala ya kushika ama kupatikana na mali ya wizi.
Mwekwirwo ni areganite na thitango ici mucirithania wa igoti ria Murang'a Peter Nduiga agiathana ahingirwo rumande kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14 kuria atanyitwo gugacokio igoti-ini tariki 14 mweri wa 10.
pre-trial and ruling on the bond on the 14th of October. In the meantime, she will be remanded in custody since her admission on bond has been held in abeyance.
Wakiigua kamuhwa ngunyana niguo ngururirie na nguthiririe tondu gaka ni kanyako horo kuma metumi ndigi magoro ritwa riakwa ni Sera Wambui wa Mwangi.
Na riu mwiroreri reke tuhutie ciegie uini wa rege kuria muini wi gatũ wa nyĩmbo cia rege Grant Washington kuma bũrũri wa Jamaica ni atanyĩtwo gũkorwo agĩkinya bũrũri-inĩ mathaa-inĩ o mothe ndagĩka-inĩ ĩno kwambĩrĩria ithaa-inĩ anytime kuma riu kuria etereirwo na njĩra nene kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa JKIA. Ririkana muini ũyũ ũrĩa ũrĩ gatũ thĩ ng'ima atanyĩtwo kũnyita itemi ndumo-inĩ ya rege iria iharĩrĩirio tariki 19 mweri-inĩ ũyũ nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC na kuria ningĩ kambuni ya Media Max iria niyo nyene ceceni cia TV cia Kameme TV na K24 ni imwe ya arĩa marũgamĩrĩire ndumo ĩno. Icera ria Grant Washington rikana muini ũyũ nĩ wa kuma kũrĩa bũrũri wa Jamaica.
Excited and ready to receive the Jamaican reggae star Grant Washington. We are told he will be arriving here any minute from now, and we understand he will be performing on the 19th of October this year at the Africa Bound Reggae Summerfest 2024 at the KICC here in Nairobi. And before Glenn arrives, let me just talk to a few of his fans who have arrived here in large numbers ready to receive him. Bingwa, naomba ujiongee hapa karibu kidogo, jina lako nani na unatarajia nini kutoka kwa Glenn Washington, labda performance yake hiyo 19th?
Tunatarajia a lot of more music, more love and the vibes. Yes.
You here for the good vibes?
We are here for the good vibes.
Good vibes.
Yes.
Na labda si mara ya kwanza Glenn anakuja Kenya, labda ukilinganisha performances zilikuwa kitambo, wewe kama fan je uliattend na saa hii ametoka ni mara yako ya kwanza?
Saa hii this is the moment between the first na second zile alikuja. This is it. This is the biggest show is going to happen at KICC. Yes.
Na labda one of your favorite jams za Glenn Washington ni gani?
A lot. He has a lot of hits back to back. So there are so many. Yeah.
Sawa sawa. Na labda pia nipate kauli mwingine pia. Kuna one here who has arrived here with ready to receive Glenn Washington. Kwaje bro?
Poa sana.
Umepiga rasta kala kabisa.
Shashamane 40.
Shashamane
at 40.
Ready for Glenn Washington.
System. Yeah, ready.
Tutarajia nini kutoka kwa Glenn Washington wewe kama fan wake?
Glenn Washington, that's a star. Glenn Washington is star. Ni star.
Ni star.
$1 million voice man.
Ni ngoma gani unajua Glenn Washington yenyewe? Your favorite jam of Glenn Washington?
Olipa them. They are wicked tunes. Olipa them.
Mimi yangu ni still going strong ya Glenn Washington.
Kuna latest. Wewe ujui.
Yaani your latest sijui.
Home again. Home again. A killer tune. A killer tune.
Hiyo it's a killer tune.
A killer tune.
So what do you expect from Glenn Washington?
Good performance and come and have fun in Kenya.
Mwenzako amesema he is here for the good vibes.
Yeah, this is wicked, man. This is wicked. This is our celebration as you see Shashamane at 40. It's not a joke. Si mchezo.
Amesema si mchezo. As you can hear, Bentura, the fans are here, as I've told you. They have arrived here in large numbers, and Bentura, I hope they find time also for the Glenn Washington show on 19th of October at the KICC. In other words, I've said that was just the Jamaican version.
Roreri uguo wakĩigua nĩguo gũtarie na kuma tariki 19 ndaigua tũrĩgeithanagia Ire Rasta. Ũcio nĩ mwandĩki witũ Majibu Kitao ũrĩa watũtarĩria ũhoro wĩgiĩ nduma ĩyo ya reggae. Na nginyanagia na hau mwĩrori wa Kameme TV itũkĩria tũkinyie mohoro maitũ hau na nĩtũkũnyitanĩra nawe thĩinĩ wa mohoro matũra-inĩ thaa ĩmwe. Niĩ njĩtagwo Mũhoro wa Ndung'u nake mwathĩri na njĩra ciĩko etagwo Wagaki wa Mũthoni.